So here it is. I'm showing here the teacher's diary. E-teacher's diary I have prepared in this lockdown period for Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Ishapur, for which I am working. As it is lockdown period, but we teachers have to keep all the documents that we are carrying on in this lockdown period. We are teaching as well as we have to keep the record. So I have prepared this cover page. This is a cover page of e-teacher's diary for the session 2020-21. The teacher's name must be here, the designation and the subject, what are the subject he is teaching, class or section. In the index page, here I have kept one index page. What is there inside the teacher's diary? Page number 1 is the cover page, number 2 is index page, number 3 is biodata of the teacher, number 4 is inspirational quote by Sri Vivekananda, number 5 poem Heart of a Teacher, 6 to 7 is code of conduct, number 8 is timetable, number 9 is names of textbooks or reference books, the teacher is doing it. 10 to 14 is split up syllabus of a particular subject. 15 is notes on innovation and projects undertaken by the teacher. Number 16 is exam schedule. This may be any of the session. I have kept here 17, 18 or 20, 21, whatever. 17, the list of CAT or TAL classes. 18, teachers' observation notes on students. 19 to 21 is record of subject committee meeting. Number 22 is records of any professional reading by the teacher. 23 is points discussed in PTA meeting. 24 to 26 is list of the students requiring the remedial help. 27 to 28 is list of bright students. 29 is monitoring sheet. 30 to 33 is student profile. 34 to 37 notebook submission record month wise. This is our it is the thing that comes under the back to basic as well as the uniform assessment. Page number 38 to 41 notebook submission mark slips term 1, that is consolidated. 42 to 45 notebook submission mark slips term 2, consolidated. 46 to 49 subject enrichment record month wise. 50 to 53 subject enrichment record of term 1, that is consolidated. 54 to 57 subject enrichment record of term 2, that is consolidated. 58 to 65 periodic test mark slips term 1 and 2. 66 to 69 grade list first term. 70 to 73 grade list second term. 74 is grade sheet. 75 to 90 is lat mark slips. 91 to 104 format A lesson plans, that is the teacher has to maintain the lesson plan. 105 to 125 pages format B, that is monitoring cum reporting format. So now biodata including the courses attended and the transfer details of the teacher, the full name, mother's name, father's name, the date of birth, qualification, educational qualification, professional qualification, designation, official address, date of joining in present station, date of joining in present post, date of joining in present KV, what is the basic pay, scale pay, employee code, seniority number, PAN number, Aadhaar card number, bank name and account number, branch name and branch code, IFSC code, GPA for CPF, email ID, blood group, awards obtained, hobbies and interest, residential address, mobile number, courses or training program attended, the transfer detail. This is a complete biodata of a teacher. An inspirational quote by the great legend Swami Vivekananda, because it has been kept to motivate the teacher's mind. All the power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Don't believe that you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity within you. Expressed by Swami Vivekananda. Heart of a teacher. The child arrives like a mystery box with puzzle pieces inside. Some of the pieces are broken or missing, and others just seem to hide. But the heart of a teacher can sort them out and help the child to see the potential for greatness he has within, a picture of what he can do. Her goal isn't just to teach knowledge by filling the box with more parts. It's putting the pieces together to create a work of art. The process is painfully slow at times. Some need more help than others. Each child is a work in progress with assorted shapes and colors. First, she creates a classroom where the child can feel safe in school whenever he never feels threatened or afraid to try, and kindness is always the rule. She knows that a child can achieve much more when he feels secure inside, when he is valued and loved and believes in himself, and he has a sense of pride. She models and teaches good character and respect for one another, how to focus on strengths, not weaknesses, and how to encourage each other. She gives the child the freedom he needs to make choices on his own, so he learns to become more responsible and is able to stand alone. He is taught to be strong and think for himself as his soul and spirit heal, and the puzzle that's taking shape inside has a much more positive feel. The child discovers the joy that comes from learning something new, and his vision grows as he begins to see all the things he can do. A picture is formed as more pieces fit an image of the child within, with greater strength and confidence and a belief that he can win. All because a hero was there in the heart of a teacher who cared, enabling the child to become much more than he ever imagined or dared. A teacher with a heart for her children knows what teaching is all about. She may not have all the answers, but on this she has no doubt. When asked which subject she loved to teach, she answered this way and smiled. It's not the subjects that matter, it's all about the teaching the child. So here is Code of Conduct, Article 59 for the teachers. Timetable the teacher has to maintain with the summary, class timetable and the teacher's timetable, names of the textbooks or reference books, split up syllabus as per their subject, notes on innovation and projects undertaken by the teachers. This is the exam schedule. List of audio, visual, CAT or TAL class taken. This is ICT. Teachers' observation notes on the students. Records of the recommendation of the subject committee meetings, especially those relevant to his or her class and follow up thereof. Records of the recommendation, that is already these 2-3 pages I have kept for this. Records of any useful professional reading undertaken by the teacher. Points discussed in the parents teachers meeting, that is PTA meeting. Name of the students requiring remedial help and steps taken to improve the students' performance. Name of the students requiring remedial help. So these are 2-3 pages I have kept for this. List of bright students. Monitoring sheet to be filled on the last working day of each month. Student profile. Notebook submission record month-wise. Notebook submission consolidated. Subject enrichment activities, that is assessment record, details of activities done. learning objectives, process of execution, date of commencement, date of execution, learning outcomes. This is the consolidated part, subject enrichment. Periodic test for the classes 3 to 8 here. Grade list of first term. Grade list of second term. This is grade sheet for scholastic assessment. It is given here that is the grade sheet. Marks, range and grade point. This is a grade sheet for course scholastic assessment and the discipline. Now here we are taking LAT test also, that is learners achievement test, and we are keeping the record month wise. Here month wise we are keeping the record of it. Now here comes actually the annexure A, which is actually the lesson plan and the teachers has to maintain every month. Class or section, subject, chapter, number of the periods he has to take, date of commencement when I'll start the chapter, and expected date of completion, actual date of completion. So gist of the lesson I have to write here, the targeted learning outcomes, teaching learning activities planned for achieving the TLO using suitable resources, and the classroom management strategies. And what is the assessment strategies planned. So this way we have to write, the teachers have to write every month according to the subject, according to the lesson he or she has to teach. So I have prepared it e-diary so that in this lockdown period nobody has to run to the school and to bring the hard copy of teacher diary. So this has been circulated in our school so that at home itself a teacher can maintain this document. And another part, this is another annexure B, this is called monitoring cum reporting format. Monitoring cum reporting format, here we teachers have to enroll the students who are the supporting children, that means those who are late bloomers. So we have to keep the record of those students and what are the remedial strategies the teacher has to adopt to improve those children. So it's a very important format. Every month the teachers have to maintain according to the performance of the students. So I have kept this much of extra pages so that the teacher according to their subject they can put it. So this is for lesson plan of class 1 to 8 for all subjects, may be followed in the soft copy of Back to Basic provided by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Thank you very much. Thank you.